Sir, we have a situation. Sensors are detecting an unauthorized civilian vehicle that has breached Gate 51 and entered the southern compound, requesting permission to dispatch quick security teams to intercept and contain the vehicle.
Permission granted. Activate all units and intercept teams immediately and provide me with real-time updates.
Attention all personnel, this is an emergency alert. An unauthorized civilian vehicle has breached the perimeter fence and entered the restricted area. All available security teams report to Gate 51 immediately. I repeat, this is not a drill. We have a security breach at Gate 51. Activate Emergency Response Protocol Delta immediately. Apprehend the intruders swiftly and safely. Over.
This is Squad A, we copy and are en route to Gate 51.
Squad B copied. Moving to secure Gate 51.
Move, move, move!
Base, this is Squad B. We have a visual on the target vehicle. It's a red Ford Mustang GT 500CR moving fast and not slowing. We're in pursuit, but not sure we can intercept it before it reaches Portal 51. This thing is really hauling.
Sir, may I suggest you press the gas now?
Sir, we now have a visual and driver on the line.
Attention driver of the red Ford Mustang. You have illegally entered a restricted military zone. Identify yourself immediately. Lower your speed and comply with security personnel directives. This is your final warning to stand down and surrender peacefully.
Surprise! It's me again, Pika Labs!
Sir?
What's the matter? Nightmare?
Not really. More like another Pika Labs idea?